what we woke up to. Goats. They have so many places to go when they go where their food is. Is it cold? Oh, there's a chicken out. Sad. Well, at least your hotel comes with breakfast. Come on, chicken. Hi, girls. Are you sad, goat? Huh. Surprised their water isn't frozen. Will be tonight. Hi, girls. Chickens are fine in the snow. Chickens more likely. Woo! Whoa! Totally fell off. Oh, poor goatie. Yes, see, that's where goats go. That's where goats go. Chickens are more likely to die of being too hot and too cold. And they have tons of places to go. Like this whole area is dry. Let's get you some snacks. Hey ladies. Hey ladies. I'm gonna spread everything out because the goats are eating it, but get you some more water. Okay, girl, we're coming. We're coming. So here we are. It's the day after that snow I showed you. It's been super cold. It was probably 16 degrees last night. It's gonna be 17 again tonight. Pond's all frozen. Gonna make sure to feed the little stray cat. Hi, goodies. Not cool with cold. Hey, everybody. Hey, buddy. How about your treats too? But it is beautiful and sunny. It's probably like 30 degrees out here. Treat for the cat. And sorry, neighbor dogs. Got some rotten, smushy tomatoes for the chickens. Oh, what's he saying? You need tomato too? My goodness. You were just lonely? Oh, that's funny. Tomatoes got stuck. There. More treats. I know. He's cold. Still having fun though. They have some serious winter coats on too. Alright. Good chicken. Good chicken. Whew. I think it's all kinds of dead. Even my broccoli looks sad and I covered it. So it's going to be 60 in the next couple of days. So I'm going to have to come out here and pull out all the soaker hoses and cover up the soil and stuff. Look at this tree. It's a mulberry. It's so sad. The leaves didn't change. They just literally fell off the... Just fell to the ground in the cold. So maybe stuff will, oh wow, look at this. Still ice on here. There's snow. Oh. Oh well. So I've been picking over those green tomatoes I got. I got a whole basket of these brought in to ripen up. These are doing awesome. Look how ripe they got. Just a couple of days. Do definitely having trouble with them cracking. You know, if you don't get to it, this actually I probably should give it to chickens. It's pretty deep. So, and then I got a bowl ready to make some more dried tomatoes. And then I'll show you what I got in the other room. So I put these out on a tray with some paper. So hopefully they'll ripen up. These are all the heirlooms. And then, sorry about the mess. There's another batch for dried tomatoes. And here's a batch that needs to be brought in. So thanks for watching, you guys. Pretty crazy weather that is Utah, though. It's snowing 1 minute and 60 again 3 days later, so it's fine. So thanks for coming along. I'll show you as the weather gets worse and worse, but then it'll get better and better. We're supposed to have not that bad of a winter, so I don't really know what that means. Sometimes that means the temperatures are a little bit higher and we get a bunch of snow, or it just means we have a pretty mild winter, so we'll see. But remember, you guys, life's a garden. Dig it.